Linking your bank to Helioscope can streamline your financial management and enhance your experience with the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create or log into your Helioscope account. Visit the Helioscope website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Link Bank or Bank Accounts to proceed. Step 3. Select your bank. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your banking credentials. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. This typically includes your username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct information for a successful connection. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your credentials, follow any additional prompts to verify your identity, such as two-factor authentication. Once verified, confirm the connection and save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Helioscope. This will help you manage your finances more effectively within the platform.